Today, I bring you the secret of a natural top dressing that will revive your plants and ensure a bountiful harvest of vegetables. If you want your tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, cabbage, spinach, and all other vegetables to be healthy, full of flowers and large fruits, then stay with me until the end of the video, because I reveal the recipe only at the end. Most people make the mistake of watering vegetables with plain water, and then they starve for nutrients. That's why today we will make the best homemade top dressing, completely natural, which contains vitamins, minerals, and microelements necessary for the growth and development of every plant. This top dressing promotes abundant flowering and fruit formation, strengthens plant immunity and protects them from disease, prolongs the harvest and makes the fruit sweeter and tastier. You can use it for all types of vegetables and even for flowers. And now we come to the recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and pour 5 liters of lukewarm water. Mix well and let it stand for 2 hours. After that, water each plant with 200 milliliters of this supplement directly at the root. Use once every 15 days and your plants will literally explode with growth and fruit. If you like this tip, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it on social networks so that other gardeners can learn about this magic.